Alright guys, I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Skullcandy Shesh. I believe that's how it's called. These are Skullcandy's new wireless earbuds. They just came out probably less than 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I don't know, something like that. But they're their new wireless earbuds that you can see right there. Let's go over some of the specs. So in the front, obviously Bluetooth, up to 10 hours of battery, and it's sweat IP55 sweat, water, and dust resistant. Alright. On the back, there's the case, and it's also a whole bunch of other, or the specs, but in different languages. The content: earbuds, ear gels, charging case, micro USB charging cable, user and 2-year warranty guide. Alright, so let's open this up. It's like a magnet right here. You open it up, then you get this. There's the earbuds. Right here is the instructions. Oh, here's the earbuds, how to pair them and all. This is the earbud. It's kind of small. Alright, let's see. How do we open these? Alright, there's a little piece of tape right there. Let me get a knife or something. I'm sorry guys, I'm so unprepared for this. We'll just use these scissors. Alright, cool. Alright, oh, something fell out already. So here's the charging cable and the earbuds, and then this is just user guide, no one cares. Alright, what is this? Is that it? Oop. Having trouble returning to store. So I guess if you want to return it, you can use that. Alright, let's get to the main star of the show. Wow, this is hard. So here's the charging case. It's in this plastic bag. And it's got a matte finish. It kind of feels cheap a little bit. It's very light. Here's the button. Show how much charge is left. It does have a magnet. You know what? Doesn't feel that bad. So right there's where you put them left and right. It's not a bad case. And then you charge it on the back. Alright, for the earbuds. Alright, let's pull these things out. Dang, it's really stuck in there. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the... Which one is this? What side is this? Right? Oh yeah, the R. Right there, the R. Okay, so they're kind of light. Yeah, they're really light actually. They have a really, I'm gonna be honest, they feel kind of cheap. They feel really cheap. This is like kind of a nice matte finish, and then this is just hard plastic. But this is soft, and that's what matters. But this is, I think this also goes in your ear, rests in your ear. It's kind of hard. You open it. I think, there you go. It takes kind of a second to clip on. It's held in by a magnet. and when it's red, you can obviously tell that it's charging. So yeah, overall it's not that heavy. I'll do a video later on seeing how the sound quality is like. But first impressions, they're pretty nice. I got the black color because I thought they were the best looking, and they were the only ones they had in stock at the moment. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps you out. Alright, so I've had a little bit of time to use them and see how they're like. They sound really good, and I did have a bit of a problem connecting them to my phone. Pairing them was actually kind of hard. The right earbud for some reason wasn't pairing with my phone, but the left one was. But for $50, these are some really great earbuds. For 50 bucks, that's a really great price for these earbuds. They sound amazing. For YouTube videos, there's absolutely no lag. They sound great. The noise isolation is spot on. I really have absolutely no complaints about it. For 50 bucks, these are amazing headphone or earbuds. I completely recommend them if you need wireless earbuds. They're amazing. What I will say is I kind of don't like the case because it's a little bit too big, but I mean it's alright. It's not that bad. But overall, these earbuds are amazing. They stick out a little bit from your ear and they're a little bit big, but who cares? For 50 bucks, they work great, all right? I really like them. And I highly recommend them to anyone who's looking into buying some of these. They're amazing. Go for it. You will not regret it. Skullcandy has always proved themselves to be the best for the best for your buck or whatever how you say it. But I have absolutely no complaints. From a scale of 1 to 10, I give them like a 9. Yeah, 8.5 or a 9. They're that good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this helped you guys make a decision, and I'll see you guys later.